Alright, so just a second video now to talk through how to get the date into your table in your reports. So like I say, we'll have to do this by adding in an embedded data field into your survey that we can pull into that table. So what we're going to do is, again, I'm just in my copy survey, but you can do this in your real survey at any stage because it's not actually going to affect your data. But what we're going to do is we're just going to click into the survey flow. We're going to go down to where you have all of your different embedded data fields. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add a new field. We're going to call it date or survey date. You can call this whatever you actually want. And then for the set of value now, we're going to click on this menu over here, insert pipe text, and then we're going to say date/time. Now this is just going to be the current date/time, and you can choose whichever format you actually are interested in. So whether you want it to be words, whether you want it to be like this. So I'm just going to choose month, day, year like this. So now this is going to be assigned to them right as they finish the survey. So this is going to be the same as the survey end date. And then we would click Save Flow. Then very similarly to the first video I showed you, what we're going to do next is you're just going to go to View Results. You're going to export your data file. And what will happen is when we export this data file, now at the very end there's going to be a column called Date. So I'll really quickly just grab this. There's going to be no data in here, but just to show you, basically along with all of your other embedded data fields, there is going to be just one called date in here. So just looking here, there it is at the very end here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go back to the very beginning here. You're going to look at end date, you're going to look at end date right here. And then just copy all of the dates. So just go ahead and copy all of these and paste them into the date column here. And the thing about it is that moving forward, all of these people are going to get this automatically assigned because we have it set up in embedded data to get pulled through. So we just need to do this for people who've already actually completed the survey before we made this change. So once you have that done, just save the survey or save the file as a CSV, and then just go ahead and import the file into your responses area. Now, the same as in my last video, this will duplicate your responses, so I would recommend making both of these changes together, both adding the embedded data field and going ahead and creating those other embedded datas and reducing the one question down. So then you've made all of the changes to the one file, you'll import it and you'll only have to delete the duplicates once, and that will save you a lot of time. And again, similarly to the other one, this does not take into consideration people who are currently in responses in progress. So this will just need to be done at the same time as you're changing those responses in progress for the combining of data on the other survey. So I hope this makes sense and I hope it's clear enough. But if you do have any questions on either one of these, please just let me know.